What are some strategies for avoiding common pitfalls in prompt design, such as leading questions and ambiguous instructions, to ensure accurate and unbiased responses from language models? Answer: when designing prompts for language models, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls that can lead to inaccurate or biased responses. One strategy is to ensure that prompts do not imply a specific answer, which can bias the model's response. This can be achieved by rephrasing leading questions to be more neutral and open-ended, allowing the model to provide a more accurate and unbiased response. Another strategy is to provide clear and concise instructions that are unambiguous and straightforward. This can be done by breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, and by using simple and concise language that is easy to understand. Additionally, providing relevant context to help the model understand the task without overloading it with unnecessary information can also help to avoid ambiguity. Iterative testing is another important strategy for avoiding common pitfalls in prompt design. This involves continuously testing and refining prompts based on the model's outputs and performance. By monitoring the model's responses and adjusting the prompts accordingly, you can ensure that the model is providing accurate and unbiased responses. For example, if you're designing a prompt to ask a language model to summarize a piece of text, you might start with a leading question like, "What is the main idea of this article?" However, this prompt could be biased towards a specific answer, such as the author's opinion. To avoid this, you could rephrase the prompt to be more neutral, such as "Summarize the main points of this article." This will allow the model to provide a more accurate and unbiased summary. By following these strategies, you can design prompts that are clear, concise, and free from bias, which can help to ensure accurate and unbiased responses from language models. This is particularly important in applications where accuracy and fairness are critical, such as in decision-making, research, and education. By taking the time to carefully design and test your prompts, you can help to ensure that language models are providing the most accurate and helpful responses possible.